generally do not like using the PPTs when teaching because I find the PPTs to be distracting. But the revision part, the PPTs are good. You can visualize it in the revisions. I do not know if you agree with my method or not, but that's what I feel. While teaching using PPT is very distracting. Okay. And a very important part is the notes you make. They do what they do. I have no problem with that. But मुझे लगता है PPT is like a presentation. Presentation में क्या होता है? Okay, people do not take notes then. Okay, so I am strictly against not taking notes. Notes to लेना पड़ेगा. If any class you do, you don't take a notes. And the reason why I write on the board, okay, I think I am one of the few teachers who write so much on the board. Every sentence I speak is on the board. And then आपसे comment भी खानी पड़ती है मुझे about my handwriting. Okay, you call it whatever you want to call it, but ठीक है. Okay, दिल पे पत्थर लेके I listen to you guys, but yes, mandatory notes. Notes are mandatory. I know it's good, Rohit. I know it's good. It's just that some of you are biased against me. Okay, इसीलिए मुझे पता है I write very well. Okay, yeah, few more months you can decode Harappan script, Eurographic script and Harappan script. ठीक है.